Dan Tweed here with Trash Bin Cleaners Direct and Pressure Cleaners Direct. I actually was picking up a client from a hotel and I drove by this self-serve car wash here in Michigan, and they were vacuuming out their tanks and the debris that's inside each bay when I noticed the signed warning: no dumping allowed, $2,000 fine plus subject to local and federal criminal charges. So for the con men in the industry that tell you you're allowed to take your trash bin cleaning truck or trailer and dump all your unfiltered wastewater into the car wash, there is actually fines and potential prosecutions. Here is one of the pits right now. You can see how much debris on the guy's back. He's trying to suck up any of this sludge and debris out of the car wash. It's really not. He's getting paid for allow you to go in and clean your car, your truck, wash it out, vacuum it out. It's not a dump site for contractors that think they can go onto private property and impede upon owners of other businesses in order to dump sand, dirt, kitty litter, oil, grease, pesticide, herbicide, phosphates, other products that can damage the sewer system, damage water treatment facility, the special biological one. For more information, contact us at Trash Bin Cleaner Direct, 877-699-0755. Love to hear from you. We'll give you real information about the industry. Like and share this video. Thank you.